To this deep dive into DevOps innovation. In this session, we'll explore how Docker, Kubernetes, and infrastructure as code revolutionize modern software development. Let's get started. The rapid evolution of software development demands automation, scalability, and efficiency. DevOps practices powered by containerization, orchestration, and automated infrastructure enable faster and more reliable deployments. Docker is a game changer in software development. It packages applications into containers, ensuring consistency across environments. This eliminates the "it works on my machine" problem and simplifies deployment. Spotify struggled with complex deployments and inconsistent environment. By adopting Docker, they transitioned to microservices, reducing deployment times by 60% and improving resource utilization by 40%. Kubernetes takes containerization further by automating deployment, scaling, and management of containerization applications. It optimizes resource utilization and ensures seamless performance. Airbnb leveraged Kubernetes to handle traffic spikes efficiently. This led to faster deployments, reducing time from hours to minutes, and saved the company $2 million per year. Infrastructure as a code automates provisioning, ensuring consistent and repeatable environments. Instead of manual configuration, developers define infrastructure using code. Popular IAC tools include Terraform, which supports multi-cloud provisioning, Ansible, an agentless automation tool, and AWS CloudFormation, which manages AWS infrastructure through code. With AWS CloudFormation, infrastructure is managed as code. Templates define configuration, stacks group resources, and change sets preview modifications before deployment. A successful DevOps toolchain automates software delivery. By integrating collaboration feedback loops and continuous automation, teams deploy software 46 times more frequently than traditional method. An efficient DevOps workflow starts with the code commits, followed by automated build and test cycles, CI and CD pipelines, then deploy applications, while real-time monitoring ensures system stability. Security is a critical component of DevOps. DevSecOps integrates security practices into development workflows, ensuring secure code delivery without slowing down releases. The future of DevOps lies in AI-driven automation, self-healing infrastructure, and predictive analytics. These innovations will further enhance efficiency and scalability. Global tech giants like Netflix, Google, and Amazon rely on DevOps to continuously innovate. The success showcases the power of automation, scalability, and cloud-native infrastructure. To summarize, Docker, Kubernetes, and IAC drives DevOps success by enhancing automation, scalability, and efficiency. Organizations that embrace these technologies achieve faster and more reliable software delivery. Thank you for joining this exploration of DevOps innovations. We hope you gained valuable insights into how Docker, Kubernetes, and IAC shape the future of software development.